Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and this is our latest video for the Volvo V60. This is the 2-litre Momentum Pro D3 8-speed automatic. Car was first registered 24th of July 2018. Just the one owner from new. 2-litre diesel engine is a Euro 6 engine, so it's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Produces 150 brake horsepower. 45.6 manufacturer's claimed average MPG. Car benefits from a full service history comprising 6 services in total, 5 of which were done by Volvo. The last service included a cambelt, water pump, auxiliary belt and tensioner replacement, and that was done December 22 at 85,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 23rd of July 2023 with no advisories. The car's finished in Saville grey metallic. Benefits from a number of nice factory options, including Apple CarPlay, rear camera and the charcoal leather interior. Have a great set of premium branded tyres, Goodyears all round, 4mm and 4.2mm on the front, and 5.5 and 5.6mm of tread to the rears. As with the exterior of this V60, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and its mileage, featuring the aforementioned full leather interior, ISOFIX location points to both outer rear seats. As the Momentum Pro, high levels of specification internally. Got the head-up display, lane keeping alert, road sign and speed sign assist, collision avoidance, electric front seats, memory seat for the driver's side. Both front seats are heated, as is the steering wheel. It's got the optional rear parking camera, electric folding mirrors, electric windows all round, power tailgate, which has the optional hands-free function, active bending cornering, LED headlights with high beam assist. The Volvo is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Its motor check clears, there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle's not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. Be supplied with a full set of tailored carpet mats, tonneau covers present in the boot, as is the space saver spare wheel. All of the tools and locking wheel bolt are present, as well as 2 remote control keys. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where we have reservation facilities online, part exchange, application page, warranty information, customer testimonials and an interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.